This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the right Office version and updates, otherwise dark mode options might be limited. Start in Excel, click File, then Account to access Office theme controls. If you plan to sync settings, sign in with your Microsoft account now so preferences flow to other machines. Once done, make sure Excel is closed and restarted after changes. This prevents cached UI colors from persisting and ensures the dark theme applies cleanly. Open File, then Options if you prefer app-level control, otherwise stay in Account. Change Office theme to black or dark gray to switch ribbons, backstage, and most panes to dark tones. You'll notice cells remain white by default, so toggle Excel's page color later if desired. Once changed, restart Excel so every UI element reloads with the new theme. This step fixes elements that update only on app launch. Make sure your system-level dark mode doesn't conflict. Adjust if necessary. After enabling Office Dark Theme, you might want the sheet grid to feel darker. Use Page Layout for background or select all cells and fill a darker color. This changes content appearance without affecting printing unless you set print colors. If some dialogues or cells remain bright, check View and Accessibility settings and confirm Office is updated. If problems persist, disable add-ins and restart. As a last resort, update Office or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.